Hello everyone, I'm Peggy Maddox from Kids on the Land, and third graders, we are so sorry. We are not going to get to meet you out on the land this year because of the coronavirus. But since we can have you out with us, we're going to come to you in some video presentations. At Kids on the Land, we have a mission. We have a job. We want you to learn about the place where you live. Why do we think that's so important? We think that if you connect to the land in your environment, we will all want to take care of it. We need to know a place to take care of it, and to be willing to really work to take care of it, we have to love it. When I first started teaching in the public schools, I found that my students knew something about rainforest in South America. They might know something about the animals like the polar bear in the Arctic regions, but they didn't know much about this place where they lived. So I began teaching them about it. I believe that was important for them to know their place, so we'll all love it and we'll all take care of it. So let's begin to learn something about this place where you live. I think you know the state we live in. Texas, of course. But do you know the name of your county? Students in Albany, can you tell me the name of your county? Shackelford County, yes. But do you know who your county is named for? Dr. Jack Shackelford, who was a Texas Revolutionary hero. Okay, students from Woodson and Throckmorton, do you know the name of the county you live in? Throckmorton County, yes. Now, Throckmorton County was created way back in 1858, but it was not organized until 1879. And do you know who your county's named for? William Throckmorton, yes. He was an early settler in this area. So now you know a little more perhaps about the area where you live, but do you know what ecoregion you live in? Let's look at this word. Eco stands for home, and region is the land, the water, that's all similar. You might have similar plants, similar wildlife. So now there are 11 ecoregions in Texas, and these different colors represent those 11 regions. Now you live up here in this brown area. So what is it that makes your ecoregion different from the other 10? Let's think about the landscape here. Do you live in a forest? Do you live along an ocean where there's sandy beaches? No. You live out on the plains of West Texas, the grasslands, and there are rolling hills. The name of your ecoregion is Rolling Plains. Everybody say that. Rolling Plains. Yes, the Rolling Plains. You know, it's a beautiful area. This picture was taken right out here on the ranch. And you know, you can see far off in the distance on the Rolling Plains. We have beautiful sunsets. We have beautiful sunrises. So let's review now. You learned who your counties are named for. You know what ecoregion you live in. So I want to thank you for being part of our first third grade video. But we have more coming, so stay tuned. on the land, kids on the land. Kids and nature go hand in hand. Gather your friends, come along with me. Get to know your nature neighbors naturally. There's animals and insects and plants galore. There's fossils and history of what's happened before. This world is a spinning and it's only beginning. Will there always be room for more? Sure! Kids on the land, kids on the land. Learn about this world starting right where you stand. The earth is alive, ain't it just grand? Let's keep it that way.